Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Hyper UVC Sterilization 1. It's the 5.9S, and it comes with everything you see here, the charging cable, the UV glasses, protective glasses, and the carrying case right here. The size of the wand is actually double this size, so we'll get to the wand right now. Now we're showing some gadgets over here on the left, commonly used ones like smartphones, earbuds from different companies like JLab Audio. We also have the edifier right there, and then some Samsung. I'm actually using those right now. So you're definitely going to want to put on safety first, the glasses. So I'm putting those on. And then you flip this out and all of the UVC LEDs are right there. It's quite a few of them. They use this in more than 1,000 hospitals. And basically what you do is you turn it on and go over each one about 5 to 10 times, and that's a double tap right here, and we'll show that right now. So we have to undo the child lock right here. So there we go. This has been charged up already, and you definitely do not want to put this on any skin or in your eye, so definitely always wear the protective glasses. Okay, so we're going to turn it on and we're going to cut the lights. Okay, and they say to hold it about 3 centimeters above 5 to 10 times, and they'll be sterilized. We picked the earbuds and the phone because the phone is used all day long and the earbuds are used a lot. You have to touch them and then they go back in the case. Now the tips might get sterilized inside of the case from the earbuds, but definitely not the pieces that you touch. Okay, so that's good, and it's just one more tap to turn off, and it's double tap to turn on. It makes a nice little sound. Okay, now we'll put the lights back on. Okay, we have some more details about this one, and it just folds up when it's done. Of course, child lock back on right there. And here's some more details about how all this works. We'll have that in the description below, but you can pause this at any time and take a read. There's some graphics there too. But always safety first. Always want to wear these UV lenses when you are cleansing something. The charging cable is easy. You plug it into a 5-volt 1-amp charger, and this will take a little while to charge. Again, it's pretty simple. You just unfold, then you unlock, and you double tap, and you're ready to go. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.